Good morning, my lecturer and all of my friends. My name is Raini Ginting, and I am a fourth semester student of English Language Education. Today, I would like to present my semester review for the TEFL courses, or Teaching English for Foreign Language courses. So, in this presentation, I will talk about two things. The first one is the core materials that EFL teachers should master, and the second one is the most important experiences and skills that I learned during this semester. So the first one, I would like to discuss the core material that EFL teachers should master. So in my opinion, one of the most important topic is 21st century learning and deep learning. With the 6 Cs, the 6 competences are character, citizenship, collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking. As a future English teacher, we should not only teach grammar and vocabulary, but also help students develop these important life skills. And English learning should prepare students to communicate, solve problems, work together, and become responsible global citizens. And another important material is understanding different learning approaches such as direct instruction, group work, differentiated instruction, cooperative learning, discovery learning, problem-based learning, project-based learning, and literature-based learning. Each approach has different strengths and purposes, and as a teacher, we need to know when and how to use each one according to our student needs, abilities, and learning goals. So this helps create a more active, meaningful, and student-centered in classroom. And I also think that learning innovative strategies for teaching listening, speaking, reading, and writing and integrated skill is very important, because English has 4 language skills, and students need balanced opportunities to develop all of them. By using creative activities and appropriate teaching strategies, teacher can make learning more interesting, interactive, and effective. Now, I would like to share the most important experiences and skills that I gained from this TEFL class. And one valuable experience was learning that teaching is not simply delivering information. A teacher should become a facilitator who guides students discover knowledge, participate actively, and work together. Through our discussion, presentation, and lesson planning, I realized that effective teaching requires careful preparation, creativity, and flexibility. And another important skill I learned is selecting appropriate teaching method based on student characteristics. So every class is different. Some students learn better through discussion, while others prefer project, collaboration, or direct explanation. Therefore, teachers should be flexible and choose teaching strategies that match the learning objective and student needs. I also learned the importance of encouraging communication, critical thinking, and collaboration in English classroom. Activities as a group discussions, problem-solving tasks, and project-based learning can improve student confidence, while helping them use English in meaningful situations instead of only memorizing grammar rules. So overall, this TEFL courses has changed my perspective on teaching English. I now understand that being an English teacher means becoming a facilitator, motivator, and planner, and lifelong learner. And good teaching is not only about explaining lesson clearly, but also about creating meaningful learning experiences meaningful learning experiences that help students grow academically and personally. So in the future, I hope I can apply everything I have learned in these courses when I become an English teacher. I want to create an enjoyable, interactive, and student-centered classroom where student feels confidence to communicate and continue learning English. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.